Well, today, Florida Governor Ron DeSantis signed an executive order to suspend all COVID restrictions in the state. But some local leaders say removing those measures too soon can be dangerous. NewsNation correspondent Brian Enton is in Miami. So, Brian, what's the response from people you've spoken with?
Well, Nicole, it really depends on who you talk to. The Florida governor has been very against these restrictions for quite some time, but up until now, cities and counties have been able to impose their own restrictions. Well, this morning, the governor said that will not be allowed anymore, and vaccine passports will also not be allowed.
Today is the 3rd of March.
With the stroke of a pen, mask mandates, social distancing guidelines, and any other COVID-related rules will not be allowed in Florida. Governor Ron DeSantis says Florida is no longer in a state of emergency.
I think folks that are saying that they need to be policing people at this point, if you're saying that, you really are saying you don't believe in the vaccines. You don't believe in the data. You don't believe in the science. We've embraced the vaccines. We've embraced the science on it.
Several Florida counties had mask mandates, but that was before DeSantis' executive order today wiped them out. St. Petersburg Mayor Rick Kreisman called the governor's decision dangerous.
If he's suspending all of our orders immediately, then you're going to be able to go into a restaurant and you never have to wear this again. And we can all expect to see our hospitalizations increase. Unfortunately, we'll probably see an increase in deaths. But I guess that's not important.
So how does Florida compare to other states with tighter restrictions? The percent positive in Florida has been about 9% for the last month. In New York, that number is much lower at 3%. And in California, it's 1%. But look what happens when you compare COVID deaths over the last month. Florida has less than both New York and California.
Dr. Gandhi, what do you say to people who think, gosh, I got both vaccines, I waited, I'm fully vaccinated. Why can't I just take this mask off now?
I think it's more of kind of a polite thing maybe at this moment, that other people are wearing their masks inside and it's kind of a social norm, and that's how I'm seeing it. It's not going to be very long. There are going to also be, by the way, people who still want a mask inside after this, and that's totally understandable, but I really don't think the country will keep a mask mandate past the time when we get to a certain vaccination rate.
And this is an important point when it comes to the Florida governor's new executive order. It does not apply to private businesses, so places like gyms and supermarkets, if they choose to, can still have their own mask mandates. Live in Miami, Brian Enton, NewsNation.